Hello, and thanks for dropping in. Here's a picture I took of. I needed a thing for a competition, and it said sports. And I said, oh, interesting that. So I found these vintage old gloves. And you notice it doesn't say Toronto Maple Leafs, it says Maple Leafs. And I think on the gloves it said Little NHL. And they're worn. I used to play hockey with these things. So they have patina. So I thought, well, how, just shooting a picture of the thing, just the logo, that's not really creative. So I was outside on the hood of my car, and I tried to find a way for me to kind of put the gloves together and find an interesting shot. And indeed, I think I did. I think this won something in the competition. I think. So basically, I had the one glove like this, and the other glove like that. You see your fingers, you see the logo, and of course, the distressed look. And why does it look distressed? Well, the gloves are still in pretty fine shape, but they are. Um, vintage, used, old, distressed. Anyway, so if you shoot pictures, keep shooting, keep practicing, train your eye. That is what makes a difference. Your eye. That's what's important. Your camera, you know, good, phone, whatever. What really comes down to is where you point, the angle you do, the height you're at, all that stuff. And remember, don't just shoot at the height of your eye. Don't do it. The world is not seen at whatever height your eye happens to be. Bye for now.